Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do unboxing some baby toys, baby mobile toy and baby play mat. Let's open it and have my baby that's sitting patiently, have him try it out. I will need 3 AA batteries here. Okay, I got the batteries in. Looks like we can clip on to some, use this clip on, or to like a side of the bassinet. There's also an option to have it spinning without any music. We're gonna move to our next toy. So there are no instructions. This is all you get. We'll try to figure something out. This piece. A few things I'm a little not satisfied, and that is, well, this side looks fine, but when you look at this side, it's asking for at least 2 pieces, like it's asking for more Velcro pieces to hold the corners. I think there is Velcro, but this piece will not stick to it. It's more like, I'm not even sure what this would be for. It's not like you can stick this side either. So that's useless. Unless, oh, those pieces would come together if you were to fold it and fold it down. Okay, let's try to master that. There is our number 2. Let's do number 3, and that will take us to number 4 eventually. well, it's not really numbered, but option 3, 4. Here's our last option, and we can hang these toys here.